Hello. So I think it's the 31st of May today, and after having like a day and a half, we ended up in Gladstone for a night as well, which was really good. Nice motel hotel, and Mum and Dennis just dropped me back to the trail west of Calliope. So this will take me to Mount Morgan. Probably a couple of days to get there. It's really good. Bit warmer now. Definitely a change in the weather. And yeah, fantastic. Bumble and I back on track. Hey Bumble, let's keep going. My weeks are running out, so yeah, let's just see. I'm just going to keep pushing on, see where I get to. It's good to see some water because been through quite a few dry ones so far. The climb is always worth it. I think that's Mount Larkham over there. And look, all the way back over there. Gorgeous. Just beautiful. Stunning day today, just beautiful. Look, it's warmer. Yeah, not so sure. Anyway, it is what it is, but I wouldn't want it to be too much warmer. I think I'm going to play chase now. Emus! Oh, is there 5? Very cool. This is cute. The water looks rather low, but I guess there's some. I can look somewhere. Gosh, when it floods it looks like it really rips them trees through. Wow. Oh, it's flowing. It's not too bad. Alright, I'll go have a little look-see, but this might just be fine. I'm here at Cattle Creek. Right next to the creek. It's beautiful. There's actually a lot of little birds, but I probably can't pick them up on this camera. Lots of them. You can see the damage that is done, like in a flood. It's very pretty. I haven't been across there yet. Just wanted to get set up and I need a drink, I need a cuppa. Beautiful. Almost tempting for a swim. Almost. Good morning. Had a lovely night here. Very peaceful. I love listening to the water trickling away. I was just thinking last night, like, I've been on this trip for, I don't know if I'm at week 11 or 12, lose track. But that is almost the beauty of it, you know. It's amazing when I catch up with family, which I've done a few times since being in Queensland. But you know, I've not watched TV for the whole time. Virtually, probably twice I've seen television. And yeah, maybe it's having your head in the sand, but it's so nice almost not being aware of all the horrible things that are going on. It just, yeah, I know it's like being in your own little world, but yeah, it's just wonderful. It's just nice to not be thinking about, all the things that are going on that aren't particularly nice, and, when you listen to the news and, the horrendous stuff that people do to each other. Yeah, it's going to be strange going back to reality in a sense. It's like a sense of freedom when I hop back on the bike after a day off. It's just like a sense of freedom. It's beautiful. And I'm really, really thankful that I am able to do this. Anyway, better finish packing up. I'm trying to get to Mount Morgan today. I know there's a bit of a climb, but let's see. I haven't even added the kilometres. I think 60, 70, I'm not really sure. We'll give it a go. See you later. Sun's coming up. Magic. This is the road that takes you up over the range. A bit of pushing going on, I reckon. I totally get you, Gabrielle. Victoria, except hotter. Okay, so I left Mount Morgan this morning, a bit later because I needed to do a bit of a resupply, and the IGA didn't open till 8 o'clock. I needed to keep your eyes peeled. This is Crocodile Mountain, so they could be anywhere. Keep an eye out. Well, I missed this turning. I didn't see it real well. Still haven't met any crocodiles, but I think this track is just a tad overgrown. Oh my goodness. No wonder I missed it. Oh shit. Ow! Far out. Scratch yourself. Oh well, quite good views though. I guess it's always a bonus, isn't it? Gosh, to think I really nearly went on the road. Thought it might be harder on the road, but holy shit. You have to laugh, otherwise you'll sit down and cry. So I'll follow this map because the track really isn't visible. Surely it has to get better at some point. Really won't be doing many Ks today. Already a late start. Oh, not there, but look, there's the bath. Oh, I just fell down the side a bit. Oh, that hurt. Oh, probably have an achy hip tomorrow. Just went away from me, the edge of the track. Oh, let's have a look at this down here. Just spotted something. An old engine or something. Oh, well, my arm. I think I hurt my arm. Like me, it fell down the side. Whatever it is. Come on, Speed, get out of my way. The magic something engine. Huh. There you go. It gave up. Okay, gators are back on. This once again is the track. Oh my god. I should have gone on the road. Whether it goes here on the fence line, I think. Oh, what's that? Down here. Oh yeah. Oh my. Oh, squished poop. Yuck. Oh no. Oh, and it's sinky. Oh, yuck. Alright. Okay. Come on, let's get you up here. Come on. Yes. Ooh. You wouldn't credit it. I'm trying to get over. My phone is stuck. Oh, the thing on the gator. Oh, come on, get on. Oh, it's been one of them days. Oh my god. Well, today was an interesting day. I think I did about only 48 kilometres, but leaving from Mount Morgan, it was good to start with, but then Crocodile Hill turned into a bit of a nightmare, and then you went down to Cabra, I think it was, but then from there you had to go through like paddocks across, and it was quite overgrown. Yeah, hard to find where the track was in some places. And then because you couldn't use Power Station Road to get onto Brickworks Road from Cabra, so you have to make your way around. So I've got to Stanwell, but the only option I can see from Stanwell is you have to go up the Capricorn Highway, even if I think it's about 4 kilometres. Then you can get on to Warren Road, which will take you onto Brickworks Road, and then continue on, as you would normally. Yeah, I just can't see another way around. Not that's going to work anyway. Yeah, so I'll get up early and try to get that bit done. Hope there's a shoulder. Anyway, some of the days I'm more trying than others. Oh dear. Anyway, the people at the servo here at Stanwell, I just asked if there was anywhere to camp. Yep, at the back of the servo. So it's perfect, and I'm just going to go back in and buy some hot food shortly, which would be lovely. Anyway, on to tomorrow.